welcome back. It's good afternoon. It's 1:41 and I'm going to get ready and go out. I'm gonna meet my sister at Hyundai Mall and then we're gonna go to one of the pop-up stores there and have like a smoothie bowl there and then shop a little bit. So I'm doing skincare first. Today the weather is incredibly bad. It's like so windy right now and it's gonna be raining soon. So the video is gonna be posting soon and I'm gluten-free and I was looking for like the perfect dish to have during the gluten-free period. Yeah, it turned out to be a smoothie bowl. So I bought like a bunch of ingredients for a smoothie bowl and I'm going to go have a smoothie bowl today. And my mom and sister were like, what the heck? What are all the ingredients for? But what all the ingredients I got are for is actually just a smoothie bowl. And I'm going to have a real acai bowl that I ate in Paris and London last year and I missed it so much. And then yeah, they're like totally different. I mean, so I'm going to put on this foundation which I bought from Sephora. You know what? There's a few Sephora stores in Korea and they are gonna be withdrawn soon. So yeah, I'm so sad. This is concealer and it can be used for foundation as well. It's from Rare Beauty. I paid so much money to get this, including everything like shipping fee, because I'm in Korea and I have to pay extra money to get this because it's not sold in Korea. I'm going to put this on under my eyes in this part. So I just put on foundation and concealer too, and I'm going to put on some bronzer. I don't know which brand this is from, but I got this from Amazon and this is super nice. There's so many color options you can choose. I think I got relatively brighter color. And then we're gonna blend it out with this big brush. So the middle part is gonna be thinner like this. And there's gonna be like left product. It's gonna be like button nose trick. And next, I'm gonna put my blusher on. I love this shade so much. It has such a natural look. The next step is eyebrows. This eyebrow pencil is from Illy by Red. Illy by Red. Did I pronounce it right? So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows first. Again, go up and go down. So I just did my eyebrows and the next step is my eyelashes. And some mascara on. Is it just me opening my mouth while putting mascara on? So look at my eyelashes. They're not really perfect, but pretty good. I love it. Dior lipstick, 422. My blusher is like warm and muted tone, but my lips are like too pink, you know? So I'm gonna put another lip gloss on. So this one, it's kind of dirty too. So I got my makeup done. And then I'm gonna get changed. I'm wearing this cute mini white dress. So I'll be back after getting changed. Bye. So I just got changed and what do you think? I think this is really cute and I just love white color. It's my reflection.
True to herself, Mulan became...
Ugh, what the heck is this? So now it's time to see how it will turn out. Okay, but what's wrong with this area? I think I should buy like proper heat rollers. Ugh, these are really cheap, you know? I think that's why. Like this. Yeah, I think it's pretty fine. So let's pack from now. So I'm gonna wear this cute Calvin Klein bag. This is white, so like color is matching. I'm bringing my wallet too. I'm gonna bring my camera. Bye, see ya on the subway.
나 화장 안 했는데 예쁘다. 역시 난 예뻐. 아니 너무 부러워.
부럽다. 난 이걸 낀 다음에 어떤 사람한테
지금 내 생각하는 후보는 여기 용품 스티 여기도 괜찮았어. So we were actually gonna try the acai bowl. So they open a pop-up store for this month. So we wanted to try that out. But apparently they closed like waiting. So we can't not even be on a waiting list. I'm sorry for being dressed up like this. So I told my boyfriend I was going to Hyundai today with you, and he said, "Well, how can you? Can I come with you?" Yeah. But what are these for?
Oh, this is like so you can put this on your chair and like yeah.
I thought this was for dogs.
Oh, really? Oh,
Should be.
I guess. 예뻐. 예뻐. 근데 흰색이 제일 예뻐.
Really?
Do you know what she just told me? She was just like, hey, so I told her I'm so hungry, and she said, oh, I was shopping for you, and I was actually shopping for her.
Yes. Let's go. And I never really can shop spontaneously. I need some plans, and I need a list as well. I get a list of things I wanna
List for shopping?
get
A list?
information.
Oh my god! I thought a list is something you only need for like groceries or something.
That's not me.
So bye. I just want to have something not too heavy, but not too
Like
not too
healthy.
not too much portion. So we decided to go to IF Mall, which is just next to this mall.
we had no choice.
Yeah, because none of us like crowded places, and it's so crowded here. Super busy.
안 해도 될 것 같은데. 우리 오늘 좀 PT 해볼래 그럼? 그래. 좀 마음 먹어?
마음 먹자.
살만. 살짝 먹.
살짝 먹자.
크게 먹지 말고.
그래.
So we're here at Mango. We're gonna shop. We're gonna be shopping for about like an hour. Waiting for hopefully waiting for
Can be over like 2 hours.
2 hours maybe. We're probably gonna be eating hot pot for dinner. So
place a couple of times before, and I've been to both this one and the Haidao. I've been to both. So hot pot is basically just a hot pot and you steep natural ingredients. Just eat it. It's a simple dish.
But it's so expensive.
So that's why I prefer this one actually. So Haidao is way too expensive.
So there was such a cute dress at the shop we went to earlier, and it was like, what was the color? It was like a beige color of pumpkin. It was like a pumpkin,
Are you talking about
like the top,
Yeah.
like a pumpkin color of top. Yeah, and it was like sleeveless shoulder. My shoulder and my arms are kind of choppy.
한두끼 시작하시면 야채 먼저 넣어서 드시면 되시고요. 세트에
I'm obviously not eating Toscavaro and the noodles because I'm gluten free. So we just finished dating. I just finished dating. We're gonna go back to shopping, and I'm eyeing the top I saw at the shop, and I'm gonna go back to the shop and should I buy it? I don't know.
I like how faded they are. You know, it's not just light, it looks a little bit faded. Get it, Raya? Isn't it the one you're wearing?
Oh my god.
That sounds so staged. Oh, they have also something like this.
But I think that one.
Yeah, the last one looks way prettier. Personally, really hate this kind of neckline.
What do you think? To sus, no matter what sunglasses I wear, I always look so suspicious. I don't know why. I'm not buying the one I was eyeing. So sad, but it was way too expensive, and I'm sure I will be able to find like other things which are better and more affordable. Bye bye. So I got back home and I just took a shower. Nanite no. I forgot the word. Oh my god. I forget everything in Japanese. So yeah, bye.